Hi guys, out and about, playing field over there. So I'm going to try out one of these ornithopters. I bought them a while ago on eBay, bought a bag full of them. Can't remember how many's in there. At least 10, maybe even 20. They worked out pretty cheap. So I'll stick one together and see if we can fly it here. Obviously they're rubber band powered. Hopefully those rubber bands are alright. They'll be a year or so old. Right, we need the wing. And that one looks like the sticky's come loose. That one looks okay. Okay. Next we need a body. Goes in there. There should be some tail bits in there somewhere. That one. Some of these will need a bit of sticky glue. That one's not very central. That one looks a little bit better. Okay, rubber bands. Ooh, they do feel a little bit dry. I'll take a few with me. Oh, look at them. They're no good. Right, well, let's see what I've got in my back pocket. For some strange reason, I've got a back pocket full of rubber bands. So we'll go and see if any of these are any good. In fact, it's a lot windier than I hoped. Got to put the wind guard on the camera. Right. That should reduce the wind noise. Just have a little gentle test flight. Clearly not enough power on that rubber band. Unwind it and then I'll add a second rubber band. Let's try again. A little bit better, but still need more power. 3 cheap Poundland rubber bands. Okay, we'll try again. I'll try launching it away from the wind. See if that helps. I think I'll go in there, then I'll be away from the dogs. Right then, away from the dogs. See how we get on. Got a nasty feeling I want one more rubber band on there. These are going to break because they're cheap. Right, we'll try again. I won't throw it up so far, I'll throw it down a bit. Well, that's a much more powerful rubber band on there. And we did actually get a circuit of climbing flight. Try that again. That's beginning to come loose. I've no idea what glue they've used. I'm only able to get about 50 turns on it. Threw that up too high. When I used them last time, I found if I mixed and matched different wings and tails, I did eventually get a good flight. If I can find the previous video, I'll put a link in the video description. I'll certainly put a link to my ornithopters. Well, we actually got a bit of a climb that time. I think I'll quit while I'm ahead. It's flying. It's not perfect, but it's not a complete fail either.